Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a pick a card reading today. So, in today's reading, we are going to focus on what energy are you leaving behind this year, or what blockages do you need to work on before the new year starts to manifest more growth, to manifest more abundance, to manifest more happiness in your life. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number 1 or this ring. You can choose the number 2 or this ring, and you can choose the number 3 or this ring. So, after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin your reading now. So, for those who have chosen the number 1, I am getting the Daughter of Wands. Okay. So, the energy that you are supposed to leave behind this year has all to do with uh, insecurities, and maybe you have been insecure about your looks, you have been insecure about how people perceive you, about for some people this could be like a message about their body, about maybe some people commenting on your body, on how you look, on how your health has been, or how you present yourself. And I just feel that you need to tap in more into your natural beauty. I feel that you are the person who could be connected to nature very strongly, or who could be just in love with natural things in life. Maybe you like to use organic products, or you are somebody who really favors nature, favors flowers, favors growth, favors the earth element a lot, or maybe you're an earth sign. So I just feel that you need to release these insecurities about how you look, or how certain people perceive you. Like perceptions, the word perceptions is really coming into my mind. I feel that you have to go beyond that cycle. There are a lot of cycles that you're going to be breaking free of this year. uh, I'm also getting like karmic cycles, because like I can see like a infinity symbol, and then there's a snake. I do feel that whatever you have let go of was important to live your life, and I feel that a lot of growth, a lot of magic, a lot of abundance is coming your way. For some people, I also feel that you could be starting something like a beauty brand, or maybe you could be working more on your looks or on your body in this coming year. So I hope that you could relate to this message. Now I'm going to be moving on to number 2. So let me see what message is coming for these people. Okay, so I feel for people who have chosen the number 2, that you really need to uh, cut off a lot of self doubt. I feel that maybe you have been feeling very attacked in the past year, or there was a lot of shedding, there was a lot of uh, you going into the hermit mode. I feel that you cut a lot of people out, or cut out some situations which were not healthy, certain patterns which were not good for your growth. And I do feel that very soon you're gonna come out of the hiding. Like I'm getting this message very strongly that you're gonna fly again, or you're gonna dream again. You're just gonna be more free, is what I'm feeling. I think that a lot of cord cutting has happened, or you need to do a lot of cord cutting still uh, to start feeling more like yourself. Certain people have really triggered you in the past, or this could frankly even be like an office situation that you have had to let go of, maybe some work situation. uh, but I do feel that whatever work you have done on yourself is definitely going to pay off. I feel that you're very beautiful, like your soul is very beautiful, and you just need to start acknowledging that more and more every day. So I hope that you could relate to this reading. Now I'm going to be moving on to number 3. So let me see what message is coming out for you. So for those who have chosen the number 3, I feel that insecurity about finances or about money is going to be left behind, or something that you really need to work on before the year ends. I feel that you have a lot of potential. I also see, I don't know, this like yin yang energy, or maybe a new partnership coming for you. I feel that a lot of balance is going to be coming for you in 2026. But for that to happen, you have to bloom, or you have to grow into your power. I feel that you have immense potential in your work front. You have immense potential as a person. Maybe you are very good at giving advice or counsel, or maybe you are in such a career where people depend on you a lot. A lot of responsibility is there, and I think that sometimes that adds to your weight, or it just adds to your burdens. I do feel that you need to start taking more care of yourself. Like, I feel that self care is really recommended for you. You need to start doing things that make you happy instead of trying to please everybody else around you. But I do see that there is going to be a very good shift in your finances. Like, if you have been worried about debts, or if you have been worried about finances, about not having enough, I do feel that your material wealth is going to grow a lot this year. But it is connected with how you first see yourself, like how you see yourself as an individual. What are your flaws, what are your blocks, uh, and then what are your skills. So I hope that you could relate to these messages. Thank you so much for watching.